going on YouTube? Thanks for checking out the channel again. Got the headers for the most part done. I wanted to hear this thing run, so that's why I'm going to start up. It ain't done all the way, you know what I mean? This looks like crap still, but for a kind of homemade exhaust, I gotta still get some more hangers on there and stuff, but it's getting late and I'm working at this all, well, not all day, but for a couple hours today, and whole bunch of time yesterday, and so I want to hear it run. So I figured, well, shoot, might as well fire her up and see what she sounds like. Oil dipstick tube is not in yet. Some stuff is not done yet. I just wanted to hear it run. Huh. Okay. So, fuel pump comes on. Plug wires. Oh. Well, I have one plug wire off. And okay, well, let's toss the old plug wire I have off back on, since you need those to run. Okay, so coil wires present, coil wires on. Well, that's just fun. Let's see what that does now. Oh, we did do a full emissions delete on this, so hopefully that did not mess anything up. I guess we're gonna find out here in a second. Hopefully it's just that one being off. Let's try it again. Huh. Not sure why it was doing that, but a lot quieter. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Not sure why she don't want to start for it, but runs good though. A lot quieter, dude. This thing is super quiet. That's nice. I'm gonna fix the exhaust, make it look nice there, but for right now, let's hear it run. That is so much quieter. That's all the paint burning off the headers. Yeah. Not bad though, eh? O2 sensor isn't on. Yeah, not bad. That's all paint burning off the headers right now. It's not on fire, nothing like that. Hopefully it's not. Stuff stinks. But yeah, she runs great though. Sounds nice too. It's really, really quiet. I like that a lot. Yeah, it's got Smitty mufflers off Summit on here, and some headers from what do you call it? Flowtech truck headers. So thanks for checking out the channel. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and we'll talk to you guys later.